call my friend Mufi Satai to give motivation speech in English.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the name of Allah, most beneficent and most merciful. Alhamdulillah, Allah Jalla Shanuhu Ta'ala merges all in this beautiful event. We are all gathered here and we hear some motivational speeches weekly in the both languages, Tamil and English. By following today, we are going to see the English motivation. In the current days, the all persons who want to get better in their life, want to succeed in their life, they don't take any steps for that. All say, I want to succeed in their life. I want to get success in my life, but they could not do any work for that. First, they want to fix a perfect goal for them. Somebody say, I want to be an IPS. After a week, they say, I want to be a doctor. After some days, again he again say, no, I don't want to become a doctor. I want to become an engineer. Same like he changed his goal whenever he live in the world. For the situation changing, he also changed his goal. But he want to fix a perfect goal in his life. The fixing of goal is very important. The aim, somebody say, the aim is more important because if no one fix a perfect path for their life, he can't able to travel in the success path. We take an example for it. The perfect aim fixing is want the initial of every process. The fixing of the particular aim is very important. We all wrote practical note in our life, 10th, 11th, 12th. Yeah, we wrote it. By seeing, first they will give the aim. We see the aim is the topic. The aim is the initial of all the practical, all the exercise in the practical. Not only in practical, in our practical life, you also want to fix the aim for our life. I want to become an IAS. He would be consistent in the goal. This is the perfect goal for him. He decided conformly and get start to go in the path of go to achieve the IAS. And secondly, he want to decide a perfect path. One man fix a perfect goal in his life, but he can't able to decide that perfect path, how to become an IAS, how to study for it. Can I study in my home? Can I study in online or go to any academy to study for it? He want to fix a perfect path also for the goal to achieve it. He want to decide a perfect path and then he want to learn about it. Somebody take a decision, take a goal in his life and also decide a perfect path to achieve the goal, but he can't learn about it. He got very laziness and he go very slowly in the path. He want to learn about it. What is about IAS? What we want to do to become an IAS? We want to prepare UPSC examination. What is UPSC examination? We learn about it. What are the stages we want to cross in the UPSC examination? First prelims, mains, and then interview. Like that we want to learn inch by inch about the goal, about our goal and about our path. Then only we can able to get success in our life. After that, one man decide a goal, fix a goal and decide a perfect path for it, and he takes some decision and he learn about it. He become an officer. But a important thing, he want to get in the way of that, he want to attain more skills. The skills is also very important for every person who wants succeed in their life. Want to attain more skills. Skills is very important. While seeing the companies, we are seeing the companies, many persons are there. Somebody in the top position, somebody in the below and low position. Why they are in the low position? Because the top position persons have more skills than the lower position persons. Lower position persons have some skills. When we got some skills, then only we can able to enter in a company. After that, who get upgrade their skills, who get upgrade ourselves, then he only can able to go to the top of the company. Same as like our goal, we want to gather more skills, we want to upgrade ourselves, we want to level up in every situation, then only we can able to go to the top of our success life. And after we choose a goal, we choose a perfect path for it, and we learn about it, and we have skills, and we daily upgrade it. Not only it is enough for him, he want to be motivated daily. Motivation is very important. He want to motivate himself, he want to motivate himself in the daily situation, then only he can able to be consistent in the path of his success path. Then only he can go in the path. Otherwise, he could not do motivate daily. Then he will get some laziness for a day. After then 2 days he will work for it, and after 3 days he will got lazy. After 2 or 3 days he will work for it. Like that, he got laziness in this life. But the daily motivation will help him to got consistency in his path of the success. And the last thing I want to say, after this all, he want to do hard work in the path. He want to do hard work in his life. Hard work is very, very important. There is no easy life without the hard work. Allah Jalla Shanuhu Ta'ala said, Inna ma'al usri yusra. Verily there is ease with the hardness. One work hard in his life, then only he can able to achieve the ease path in his life. So may Allah will grant us tawfiq to follow the words which all are here. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.